Yum 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 yum.
Okay.
Take that little hammer that you wanted to use so many times. You wanted to smack someone, just smack those Tim Tams down. That's what you're gonna do. Crush them down. That's it.
A few moments later.
Mother. Son of a master football.com. That's it, I've had it. Here we go. So I've decided I'm going to do her fillet with a lovely sauce, which is actually my design. I'm very proud of it. French mustard sauce. Actually, I'm lying. Oh dear, it's my mother's sauce.
A few moments later.
And now, this actually should be copyrighted, seeing oh wait, it was my mother who made this lovely sauce. Delicious. Okay, tonight I'm going to have to tell you my secrets. I have to go into my secret little cupboard here, where we find an old recipe book that my mommy gave me, and all the secrets I know are really from this little book here. FBI, open up! This is Ina Palmer's lovely garlic butter sauce. No, not butter. No, we've got a problem with ourselves tonight. We're losing our tongue. It's garlic pepper. Yum. Oh, that looks fantastical. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, no, that looks like a big bloody poop from a big oxtail poopall.com for a cow that has had a bit of a problem with his stomach tonight. It's had a bit of a problem. No. It does not look very enticing to me. It does not. It's looking very, very bad. Actually, I'm actually surprised that I ate this now that I think about it. We don't want to show them my old crusty book.
No! No!
Steak on a plate with the sauce. Everything's happening so fast. The sauce is going. The chips are going. Where's your video? What to do? Crazy times. This is what happens when you make steak.
I did my dance one time on TikTok and went viral with it.
Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Ooh. Yo, that sauce is gonna be great inside there. Shh, you don't have to video that, eh? That's a secret sauce. Shh, don't tell anyone. You take the meat juice and you _gooi it into the sauce. Yes, that looks good. Our kids can't wait to taste this. I can hear them in the background laughing.
A few moments later.
Clearly, we left it a bit long. This is what not to do, is to leave it in too long. Our soup is looking fantastic though, I have to tell you. Seriously, that's bad. You know, the chef is always going to taste. Let me taste. Oh my word! Magnifique! Thank you so much. No laughing, kids. I know you want it. You just gotta wait a little bit now, okay? Even in a plate. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that deliciousness. Do you want some? I'm sorry, but you can't have any.